to welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cars, Stance, and Class. Sitting here is a nice, good, beautiful. Standing here before you is a nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi the entertainer. You've seen that now my starter is turning the engine. Starter is alive. I want to continue with the work. Let's now mount the starter properly and let's mount everything right. So when the time comes for the management, it's just set and go. So let's do this. Oh, I took my car, I dropped it off at the car wash. About to go out, boy. I'm so proud of you. Make the It's your time to shine. Yeah, folk, I can't work. The tools are all in the car. Damn. So you see what I'm doing. Come inside so you see what I'm doing. I put the one. I'm working here now. Here. I'm gonna use this one. I'm using this one. I cut here the last time, you remember. And I'm gonna add this. I'll tighten it. I'll tighten it tomorrow later on. Alright. So I'm just gonna add. I'm just gonna add the top part of this butter. The bottom part of the starter, this side, I already tightened it up, so I'm not gonna need a whole lot of things. This part is tightened, so now it's only this side. There's no problem with it, it's just that I have a longer bolt, so I'm just trying to make use of what I got, so I don't need to go out and buy other stuff. Alright. Now I shall close. But I don't have the tools. I don't have the tools. I need to close the subframe. The tools are left in my car. What am I gonna do? Let me try and check if I don't have tools that I can use in the house, in this yard. I'm going to check if I have tools that I can use in this yard. I'm coming. Guys, I found them. These are the two things I need to mount my subframe. I like to call it subframe. It's a cross member. Let me mount it and know I'm done. This part. At the same time, let me see how far I can go. How far I can try. Car wash. Do I have a jack stand? Because I need to check this engine a little bit higher. Ah man, I'm not gonna win this without tools. I'm not gonna win this. Because I'm gonna need to check the engine a little bit up. After checking the engine a little bit up, I'm gonna have to mount this. Because look, if I try putting this here without still gonna need to check it. So no guys, it's not gonna happen. Just in the meantime, let me tighten my starter. I need my toolbox. Let me just wait until the day I got the starter pack. Let me return my dead stuff. I'll continue tomorrow. Today I'm definitely not going to be busy. We're not gonna get the car and come back home unless there's an emergency. So I'm just calling it a day. At least you've seen my starter is well mounted. Before I tighten it, I want to make sure that the balance here is 100. So yeah, I'll also add a washer. Just for the safety. Maybe safety. Maybe safety, Brazil. That is all we have for this episode of Costa and Glass. I'm your Nkupi, fucking fan of today, entertainer. But I tried, didn't work, so call it a day. See you tomorrow night to have my car here and everything is easy. It's easily done. I have all the tools. Cheers.